In an era where every piece of tech feels designed with a built-in obsolescence timer, where the 2026 market is flooded with disposables, finding something truly reliable is, frankly, a relief. Today, we conduct a product review on a tool that defies that trend, built for those who understand the true cost of professional friction. This is the Kingboard Small Ironing Board with iron holder. It is not merely an appliance, but a professional-grade instrument. The most overlooked aspect, the quiet standard if you will, is its almost absurdly stable, adjustable TRP feet. Most boards wobble, leading to frustrating reworks, or worse, a ruined garment. This Kingboard eliminates that. That 5-minute struggle on a busy Monday morning, trying to level a flimsy board before an important client call, that time debt is immediately reclaimed. This singular feature prevents the cost of failure before it even begins. The physicality of this board is where the investment truly speaks. It is not the hollow plastic shell we have grown accustomed to. This is a substantial, dense unit. The engineered mesh surface, paired with its robust frame, offers zero flex. You feel the tactile density, the cold assurance of materials designed to last. This is a tool that resists the dreaded replacement cycle, a long-term value purchase, truly a joy of ownership. Now, a small professional compromise. The locking buttons for the fold mechanism, they are notably stiff initially. Almost over-engineered, perhaps. But once engaged, or once you have this board hung neatly away, it's a minor detail that becomes utterly irrelevant in the real-world workflow. This is more than a utility item. This is an essential for any professional who values their time and their presentation. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.